Hi, Janice.
Hi, Oliver.
Nice to meet you here. Janice, I have a very easy question to you. When Uwe has his S4 system and he wants his users in the system and create new one, how is the right way to bring the user into the system?
For example, when we have leveraged Fiori UI for our employees, for the usage of SAP Identity Management, we are able to achieve a higher employee productivity because they are then by themselves able either to request by themselves roles and privileges, or for example are able to ad hoc create external employees, for example, by themselves, which are then are executed by an approval process. With this also the IT department, for example, has less work to do because the employees by themselves are able to use the identity management and everything around this. And of course, also not employees, also managers are able to execute their manager self-service, for example, on the way from home to the office, because they're able to use these user interfaces, these Fiori user interfaces, also on mobile devices. So you are able to use your time better with using Fiori UIs for SAP Identity Management. And this I will show you now in one of our products. So here we see our product SECMENDO.selfservice in the new Fiori 3 design and theme. And for example, we are able here to look on our open profile and view our own data. And this is very nice to see that we're using all the space with all the new controls, which is Fiori 3 giving to us. This is the version 3.0, and there we implemented a flex layout or a column-based layout. So here we see the to-do list of the workflow items, and it's very nice to see that we are able to have on the left-hand side the list of the items, and on the right-hand side we see the details of the approval item, and also able to, for example, see the data of the requester, which is then opening also on another sidebar on the right-hand side. So there we see the same data as before in the profile. And we can also make this a little bit larger to see more of the data. And it's very nice to see the sidebar layout, how this flows. Also, we're able to enlarge the list of workflow items to have a better look on them, and of course, we are able to approve this approval items then to send them to the next requester or to approve the roles. Okay. What else? For example, when we request access rights, either for us or for other people, for other employees. We have also some changes there. When we select an employee which should get new requests, new privileges, we have now implemented a nice new search for privileges, like a small shopping cart, where we're able to select privileges and give them in a small selection area, and then search directly in this modal UI to select even more privileges, and then bring them into the request, and directly then able to also change the validity date for the certain privileges. Yes, very nice. Also, of course, privileges and roles we're able to request there. In addition, what we have new in version 3.0, we have a mass maintenance UI in UI5. So here we are able to select different persons, different identities based on different search criteria. And also here we have this, this kind of shopping basket where we are able to select different persons, like this is known for other mass maintenance UIs. And when we have found or selected all of the users we want to mass change, we are then able to define which of the attributes or which of the data we want to change. For example, we are able to unlock all of these persons, or change the master data, for example, the address information, the language keys, the authorization groups. Here in this example, I would like to show you also how to change or assign more than one privileges to more than one user. So also here we have this kind of basket where we are able to select different privileges and add them to our selection, and then assign multiple privileges directly to a group of people. Yes, that's our new SECMENDO self-service version 3.